Learn proper shooting techniques with visuals printed right on the ball. Instructs basketballs. Students easily learn proper hand placement for shooting positions, thanks to the color-coded printed hands on the balls. These colorful hands are designed for both right and left-handed students, convenient for accommodating multiple students. High-quality printing ensures the instructions won't easily fade away. Instrux basketballs are available in two options, Instructs and Instrux Plus. The Instrux ball features a durable, rubber-pebbled cover to withstand multiple drills and games. The Instrux Plus ball features a premium soft-touch rubber cover, ensuring better grip and control. Instrux basketballs are available in junior size 5 and intermediate size 6 to accommodate your students. Easily instruct students with guidance right on the ball. Instrux basketballs.